Kids in Torrance got to take home some edible treats that they created when the Simon Kidgits Club came through town. But it wasn't just fun and games, it was also learning. Here's Juanita Adami with the story.
It's the age-old question of how to make learning fun. The Simon Kidgits Club may have found the answer. They hosted their super-duper Lil Chefs event at the Del Amo Fashion Center, and those who attended were not disappointed. The Lil Chefs event is an interactive and fun program created to improve learning skills through hands-on culinary projects like frosting and decorating cookies and making pasta shell necklaces. Lil Chefs is part of the Kidgits interactive series of educational events. The culinary program is on tour entertaining families across the nation. Simon Kidgits offers other programs including reading hours, book blast, and even pirate parties. Kids who attended also got to color and even cut out and decorated their own culinary chef's hats. At the end of the day, kids had smiles from ear to ear as they took home their creations, goodie bags, and most importantly, their new learning skills. For This Week in Torrance, I'm Juanita Adame.
Thank you, Juanita. For more information on the Simon